In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in LibreOffice. To get started, open LibreOffice and go to the document where you want to edit your text. This can be helpful when you want to make certain words stand out, organize information more clearly, or simply improve the overall look of your document. Once LibreOffice is open, the first thing you need to do is highlight the text whose font color you want to change. You can select a single word, a full sentence, a paragraph, or even multiple sections of text, depending on what you need. Make sure the correct text is selected before moving on, because the color change will apply only to the text you've highlighted. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the LibreOffice window. Find the font color option. Beside it, you'll see a small downward pointing arrow. Click that arrow to open the color picker. This menu gives you a range of preset colors that you can choose from right away, which is great if you want something quick and standard like red, blue, green, or black. If the preset choices don't match what you need, click the custom color option. This opens the standard color picker where you can choose a more specific shade. This is especially useful if you're trying to match a theme, create a more polished design, or use a softer or brighter tone than the default options provide. Take a moment to choose the color that works best for your document. As soon as you select a color, LibreOffice will apply it to the text you highlighted. You should see the change immediately, which makes it easy to confirm that you picked the right color. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply reopen the font color menu and choose a different option until you're happy with the result. One helpful tip is to use font color carefully so your text stays easy to read. High contrast usually works best, especially for professional or academic documents. Bright or unusual colors can be useful for emphasis, but they should be used sparingly to keep your document clean and readable. And that's it. That's how to change font color in LibreOffice. Once you know where the font color dropdown is, the process is quick and easy anytime you want to customize your text.